that the ESPLERP complaint is not just that sex for money happens in private and that's the reason why it should be allowed. There's also a cause of action for First Amendment, under the First Amendment, that says that the California law against prostitution violates the First Amendment, the free speech right. Now, this case is not just directed to protect someone like indoor call girls. It's also directed to protect anyone on the street, for example, who is soliciting, talking about, entering into an agreement for sex. If the sex for money is itself legal and constitutional, then this case will give them a great weapon to defend against any law enforcement action against them for soliciting for a legal act, even if that solicitation occurs in public. Not only that, but years ago, the California Supreme Court, which is the authority on this particular statute, ruled that you cannot criminalize solicitation for a lewd act unless that lewd act is in fact a criminal sexual act. This case, the ESPLERP case, is designed to ask the court to rule that sex for money in private is not illegal. It is not a criminal act. Once it is not a criminal act, prosecutors will have a very, very difficult time trying to prosecute anyone for solicitation for that legal act, even if that solicitation occurs in a public place. So this lawsuit is beneficial to all sex workers, no matter what the venue that the sex worker works in. It is a great case. It is a very powerful case. Some of you may also be worried about the Virginia trial court case. This was not a high-level court. This was not an appellate court. But a trial court in Virginia held that there was no constitutional privacy right for BDSM actions that occur in private. This is another example of the need for the ESPLERP case. The ESPLERP case is designed to give BDSM practitioners a great and powerful weapon to say that their activities are in private, they are between consenting adults, and therefore they have a constitutional right to engage in this practice. And the prosecution will have to come up with some way to attack that position. If, for example, there's real permanent injury that's involved, if there's some question about the consent of the participants, then there will be a difficulty, obviously. But ordinary BDSM should be protected if we win this ESPLERP case.